Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. In this video, today we are going to understand that how to count the occurrence of a given character in a string. So basically we will be getting input from user one string and asked is we have to find how many times this I occurs. So this is a character. If you see in API Pothi, I occurred 2 times. So our output will be 2. So basically we are going to find how many times a given character occurred in given string. That's all. Okay. So we have the string ready. We have the character ready into the main program. So now our responsibility is to get occurrence. We have to write the API called get occurrence, and where we need to pass two things as a argument. First is the string and second is the character. Character that we are going to find how many times it got occurred into this string called str, and accordingly we have to create the method here. Okay, yeah. So as soon as we receive the user input, we have to secure this data. So saying that user string is the local variable which holds the string, and user char is the character which basically hold the character data. Okay, now let's have one SOP. Make sure that we received everything correctly. So saying that user string. So this is the local variable we have which holds user string, and accordingly we have to print the user character. User character. So here it will be user character. Fine. Now let's run this program as a Java application. If you see here, API Pothi is the string and I is the user character. Let's have one space in between, so it will be understandable. Now again run the same program. So user string is API Pothi and user character is I. Now our responsibility to get this I how many times occurred. This I is the character and we have to find in this string how many times this character occurred. So to do these things, first we have to convert this string as a character, and for that we have the toChar array into the string class which returns char. Okay, so we can say user character. Okay, now let's have one for loop to scan this character array. Good, we got this one. Let's have one SOP log also to verify. So index is the I, whereas value is the user character of ith place. Okay, now again we have to run as a Java application to make sure that character got converted perfectly. So this is the string and this string got converted into the character where A is at 0th position, P is at 1st position, and respectively I is at 7th position. So now we are good. Now again we have to understand the question. We have to find how many times this I occurred. So how many times this I occurred, and I is nothing but the character. So basically I want to know how many times a particular character occurred. So for that we are going to put one check saying that if character of I equal to user character, okay, then what? Then he want how many times this got occurred, and for that what we will do, we will put some counter variable, counter plus plus, and we are going to initialize counter as 0, which is integer type. Okay, so we are telling that if it got matched, then increase counter to 1. Okay, so how many times the control will come in this area, this counter variable got increased by 1, or as soon as this for loop end, so we will get the final value of the counter. Okay, so let's say counter. Now if you run this program, we will get saying that 2 means this I occurred 2 times. Let's have some meaningful message. So what we are going to print here is character I means user char, okay, occurs in the string how many times, that hold by counter variable, and here I am going to write times times. Okay, okay, now right click, run as Java application. See, this is the string and this is the character, and this character occurred 2 times. That is only our expected output. Okay, so let me summarize you again. We got the string, we got the character. Our responsibility is to find the occurrence of this character. So first of all, we converted this string into the character array, and then we start scanning the character array. So we kept one flag saying that if the value coming from the character array is equal to the value coming from the user, and value is what? Is the character, then please this increase this counter to 1 by 1, and as soon as this loop got completed, we will get the all counter variable. So we are printing it here, and that's what our goal is here. So I occurred 2 times, and this is only we are expecting output, which is we are getting, right? Yeah, thanks for watching this video.